spare barrel to this gun?
Yeah, sorry.
Alright, hey, we need to get the fourth.
Okay, just put it down. We'll just get the armor.
Oh, it is. Right. So like, if I'm trying to explain it. I'm sitting right here.
See if I have ejected and feeding.
There you have it.
I have it. I'll sight it and continue on with the mission.
Good. We all understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we go over remedial. We'll be here all day. Go away. You're good. All right. All the fobs of strange noise made with a primer. Coming up on the right side of it, there is another candy cane. Do we see it?
Yes, sir.
Contact.
Wait.
Follow that tree. Come here.
Is it right next to the tree line?
Correct.
Right there.
It is one finger to the right of the facade.
Follow the tree line all the way down. There's a space. It's that orange candy cane. One shot. Gunshot wound right leg. Dude, he walked in front of the barrel. What do you want me to say?
What an idiot.
Is he breathing? He's doing radio checks every hour? Road guard radio check. Nope. Hey, guns! Come clean this stuff up real quick. Let's just put some crates together. If we don't, we have.
I need 6 more.
Brown? Ready to rock? Oh, fuck. Yeah, your kit's in the... Too easy. Alright, here I'm going to throw this back down to you. You can stage it by... Actually, stage it halfway up the berm in case somebody else needs it, okay? You're good. You're good. You can leave it there. Hey, just so you know, when you guys bring it up here, just go ahead and just pop the tab.
Yes, that's on.
Alright, just say, I just don't want this to be police call later. This way you all can just leave it down there, okay?
Yes, that's on.
Yes, that's hard.
Excuse me? Actually, go ahead and just do a functions check, actually, too. Too easy. Leave it on. You were condition 3. Go condition 1. Alright, your target. You ready? Gun truck marshal. Good. She's in there. Too short. Nice. All right. Here. Yeah, go ahead and zero the T&E, then you can use the.
That's spicy.
Thing to go look at it.
The bit's on 39.
The bit's smoking?
Now imagine that being your ticket, like the Oakland.
All right, go ahead, put it on full auto.
$14 right here.
How much?
14.
Send it.
I'm all about
Half load.
14 bucks, man. I'm cheap. Let's see how this one acts.
Hopefully good. Fast. Yeah, a little too fast.
He was in the trees too.
Yeah, come down 5. And then send it again. Shoulder pressure, come right 5. Right 5. And maintain that same shoulder pressure you just shot with. Come down 10. Come down. Come down a little more. Send it. Now right 5.
Right 5.
Condition 3. Go. Full load. Rack it.
Spin it forward. Clear. Clear. All right, conduct a barrel change. Grab that barrel carrying handle. Place it on that barrel. The barrel will remain facing downrange.
All right, go ahead, pop the cover open.
Pop the top cover. All right. Kick over there to the line out room.
Oh, sorry.
One more. All right, and go up 1 3. Up. Yep. All right, send it. Remember, you got to charge and go again, because you charge. All right, send the boat latch forward. Boat latch. Let's skip the style. Let's skip. Nope. Get the boat latch. Let's skip the style. All right, send it. Up. Talking to me down again. Yeah, but we're there though. Like the hanging and stuff, you're there. You're there. So the whole time when they start shooting, that's all you can do. Let you know it's different. Stop in the goal. Stop in the goal.
Weapons free, weapons free.
No left, you can start. Alright. Send it now. Get the boat latch. Send it. Go down to clear. 1, 2, alright, boat latch. Send it.
Alright, fire mission front, shoots it open, 400, 1500 meters. Weapons free.
Get ready! 1100 on first! 1100!
Targets are up.
Alright, look. It's that target right there. It's the box target. To the left. To the left. It bleeds in. Just go left. Go left. Go left. Go left. Go left. Alright. Start shooting them.